Hi there. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Journey with Samana. And firstly, I would love to start today's video with showing my wholehearted gratitude to all of you all who showed interest in my video and who appreciated the little bits that I've been doing. And that's really encouraging. And I really appreciate all of you all. And I'm I'm really grateful that I'm in such kind of state where my little experiences might help you in the longer run. So today, in today's video, I'll keep it very brisk, and it's divided into two parts. The first part goes for everybody who not necessarily take care of themselves because, as I told you. The most important person to love in this universe is yourself. You need to take out time for yourself, and the small things, they're not time consuming. So let me start with a morning routine which I follow, and I think it will be helpful for everyone. So yeah, after waking up, uh, the first thing I do is had this methi soaked water. So I soaked the methi seeds overnight, and next day early first thing that hits my stomach is this methi soaked water. It's not karwa or anything. It's nice, and one glass is more than enough. So it clears your digestive system, and once your digestive system is clear, your face and everything gets a glow. So makeup will not be necessary. You'll glow yourself. Any which ways, every person is beautiful in their own unique way. But these are the surface things which you get to interact. So yeah. So first thing, methi water. Second, I like to kind of wipe my face uh, with these wet wipes. It actually cleans your face. The thing is, you might feel ki, we don't go out. We are in this situation where people are not stepping out. So, kya hai? But the face is the most exposed area, and you need to really, really take care of it and keep it hydrated and moisturized. So, for me, I use this medicated moisturizer because I have a really sensitive skin, and not everything suits me. And trust me, I have used this for a very long time. So you rub your face, and it circulates the veins and the blood flow, and with a clean and healthy stomach and digestive system, and this little tiny bits, your face gets this natural glow, and yeah, there you go. So this morning routine for me is done. I don't need to really, yeah, until unless you're stepping out in the sun and all that, then there are certain other things which we need to incorporate. But yeah, for in general, this is my regular mantra. Now, my second half is this message is for all the youngsters and all the girls and guys who dream big and who want to achieve place in industry, and this beautiful industry, glamour industry, modeling industry. I need to tell you something. Modeling and films, these are entirely two different industries. Models are models can be an actor, but modeling is a different career and acting is a different career. But yeah, at some point both gets amalgamated together. But youngsters today, see, there are a lot of pageants, and see, I belong from a very small town, and till today most of the people don't know what modeling exactly is, and what are ramp models, and what are the commercial models. So I want to give you a certain gist. Modeling in itself has two, three, four bifurcations. First goes your ramp models are there, commercial models, print models, hand models. I mean, I don't have the pretty hands, so but yeah, at times there are assignments where your face won't be shown, but your hands might, you know, come to use. Like, have you seen that movie where this they draw these three dots? So it's basically hand modeling. You need to have. So yeah, these are the different kind of modeling journals. Now, my point is, right now, the whole everything is gone for a toss, and everyone, and there are Insta models, and so everybody's work line is different. For fashion, I and when there are a lot of grooming workshops in small town, because I have seen it with my own eyes, and I hate to admit that people are being cheated with the name of modeling, because I've been in the industry for good 14, 15 years. I know this much. For modeling, ramp model, high street model, modeling, runway models, they are different. Commercial models are different. For ramp models, the basic criteria which I feel is your height. So, and the minimum requirement is at least 5'8" without heels. Um I know everyone has the right to make money and do things, but the thing is that I hate to break this. I'm really sorry to break this truth. Not everyone can be a ramp model, but can be a model. So, ramp modeling, commercial modeling, print modeling, these are all different things. Ramp models criteria, they should be high, much I won't say skinnier, or that keeps changing. The trend keeps changing. Sometimes you need to be skinnier, sometimes it needs to be a little more, you need to put on a little weight for certain things. But for print modeling and commercial modeling, height is not a requirement, but that doesn't mean you don't need to groom yourself. That is required. But if you are 5'2" and I'm telling you I'll make you a ramp model, I'm sorry, I'm lying to you, and I'm lying to myself, and I hate lying. So I know it's heartbreaking, but until unless you accept the truth and be in denial, life won't get you anywhere. So you need to accept you as who you are. If you're 5'2" or 5'8" or 5'5", no problem, you're beautiful. But the thing is that you want to be a model, you need to focus on which stream of modeling you're apt for. I will be giving tips on that as in my upcoming videos. But for right now, I'll just tell you, modeling is a very huge industry in itself. So, and every person is unique in their own way. But I don't want any of you youngsters, because I know it gets to your head कि हाँ करना है. He said I can be a rap model or a catwalk सीख लो. But सीखने में बुराई नहीं है. But that doesn't mean you will get to you're fit for RAM. But maybe you can be the brand ambassador of a very huge company because of your face. So yeah, you need to know your own potential and stop getting carried away with what people are saying. So सुनो सब, करो वो जो आपको लगता है कि सही है. If it is your dream, pursue it. But I would suggest कि first learn your potential, see where exactly, see what are your pluses and minus, and then go ahead. There is there is nothing is impossible. Impossible means I am possible. So everything is possible, but it is always better to know your own potential and know which way will be easier, not no way is easier actually, but which way you will bloom more. So yeah, stop getting carried away and get swayed by what people are saying. That's it. I mean, it really breaks my heart because in the small towns and all this suburban areas, people say if you see a tall girl in a society, hey, she can be a model. Uh, she can be. It's not that she can't be, but then she needs to know the potential. She needs to know which exactly stream you can work on. So yeah, um, I will give more exclusive bits on this one. But for today, this is it. Love yourself, keep yourself healthy, know your potential, and work on it. And yeah, and there's this famous saying: dreams are not what you think about and sleep at night. Dreams are what to keep you awake. So if you have the dare to dream, so work on it. बैठे बैठे तो कुछ नहीं होता. And yes, winters चालू है. Zipper is not going anywhere. Please keep sipping on your water. Avoid junk. Eat healthy. Stay healthy. Avoid fried food. And yes, 24 घंटे में आधा या 1 घंटा खुद के लिए बनता है बॉस. So, thank you for your attention. Any queries, any comments, or any particular topic you would like to know about, kindly shoot your messages on my YouTube link. It's Model Samana Official. My Insta handle is Model Samana Official. Facebook page Model Samana Official. So that is there for today. So journey with Samana. Thank you for bearing with me, and I will see you next Friday. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and guys, please take care of yourself. Don't step out much. Still, it's not COVID is still on. It has not gone anywhere. So yeah, stay safe and stay healthy and stay happy, because happiness is one thing which reflects. So yeah, signing off. Lots of love. Bye.